Okay, I got here a solution for exercise B. Let's pause and copy all this stuff. I won't say anything about this because I want to talk about a different way of solving exercise B. So let's scroll down and get the rest of it. Oops. There we go. Pause and copy all that. Okay, so I get this answer, pi over 2. Okay, let's start over and do this a different way. So solution number 2. We're going from 0 to pi, and if I'm not mistaken, it is sine x 1 plus cos squared x dx. Let me just double check that. Yeah. Okay. So a slight variation on what we've been doing. I'm going to go use cos x again. And this time I will choose to not convert 0 and pi. Okay, you can still by not converting. So why don't we use a different color here? So I'm going to first of all consider just the indefinite integral. So I'm going to go use cos x, and I'm going to go du over dx is minus sine x. This part's all the same. Dx is, I'll say negative du over sine x. A little bit easier with the minus up top. Okay, so this becomes no different than before. 1 plus u squared minus du over sine x. And so no changes here, just basically recopying. And I get minus arctan. Plus constant. Now, the different thing I'm going to do is instead of converting the 0 and the pi endpoints, I'm going to actually switch back to my x's. Okay, so I'm going to put my x's back in. So I'm going to replace u with cos x, and then make use of this on my original integral. So I'm going to say, therefore, the integral from 0 to pi with the original endpoints of sine x 1 plus cos squared x dx is equal to, I'll just use this thing here as my, as my antiderivative. Okay, you can drop the plus c. And again, I'm using the original endpoints rather than converting. It's typically easier to convert the endpoints and do it the way I've done before, but I just want you to be aware that there is another method if you want another method. Minus arctan. Holy smoly. Holy smoly. Plus arctan 1. Okay, so we end up this line is familiar to us. Minus pi over 4 plus pi over 4, and we get our pi over 2 again. Okay, to resume, to give a resume, give a summary, rather. You can either convert your endpoints, which I recommend, and do this the way we've always done it. Or if you don't like converting endpoints, you technically always have the option of taking your integral, converting back to x, and using that as I do here.